student, most of the physics student feel physics. Instead of feeling physics, they memorize physics. Electricity chapter is something to be felt. Why physics student, why O-level student, they try to be away from the physics subject because okay, they cannot understand, they cannot feel the situation. Hey, this is the garments. You are the owner of garments, right? So, how many things will you ensure? You firstly record the garment, the electric company, please, brother, my electric line, I mean the flow of electricity, must be bigger size, thicker size. Hey, brother, don't give my electric line, don't give my electric line with this thin line, thin line. My garments is a big garments, so give my line through the thick wire. This is the thin wire. So thin wire or question of thick wire or thin wire is the question of I. I mean the current, flow. Okay? An unit of current. Oh, I is the symbol of current. I is the symbol of current. And unit of current is ampere. One of the person ampere perhaps discovered current and his name has been written. So I'm not going there. Main talk as a garments industrialist. How many things, how many meters will you ensure? You tell the electric company, please, brother, try to understand what is the effort and what is the load of my garments. My garments is a big garments. So definitely the lines will be like this. Big, thick wire, not the thin wire. This is your first priority. You are O-level student, but future garments owner. Fine. So I is clear. I is clear. I mean current. Okay, Baba. Now I'm going to the many electric company. I don't know, in our country, no private company, but outside. Electric company, they have given you thick wire, but they don't have voltage. You understand voltage? Voltage mean from the main line to the your garments, there is no pressure of charge, pressure of flow. Never get confused. Charge is different thing. There is no pressure of current. Charge cannot be pronounced because charge is question of deposition. I'll tell later. So that electric company is very clever. They have given thick wire, motor tar, but they have given no pressure. So your garment's productivity, your garment's operation will be hampered, I'm sure. So that's why you second time you are industrialist. Second time you have to request the electric company, please, brother. Not only the electric wire, moreover, the pressure of the current has to be ensured. What is pressure? Pressure means voltage. In the book, this is not highlighted. Student understand what is pressure, blah blah. Student don't understand voltage. Voltage means pressure of the electric wire or electric line. So as a garment industrialist, you have ensured the 2 meter. Fine. So now how much power is being supplied to your garments? Okay, how much power? So depend on what is the wire, what is the line size, what is the pressure size. If the pressure size and line size both are perfect, I mean your power is perfect. What is power? Yes, power also confusing. Power means how much the readiness of supplying. Obviously, the readiness of supplying depend on what is the line, size of the line, what is the nature of the line, and what is the voltage. Okay, so power doesn't mean, so there are many person in our society very big size but no power, another person very small but I mean not only deposition, moreover, action. Power means rate of performance. What is your size? At the same time, what is your pressure? That is question of power. And obviously, the unit of power is watt. The unit of power is watt. I didn't write, these are already mentioned, so I didn't tell. Okay, I'm telling. The unit of I is ampere. Okay, so this is the question of flow. You are, as an industrialist, you have requested the private electricity company. Please, brother, my line has to be perfect, thick wire. At the same time, my power, my pressure, my voltage has to be perfect. They have told, yes, sir, I am, sir. Thank you, sir. I am giving this. You are satisfied. Now, in your garments, there is another system. This is, Baba, this is what? This is a direct current, alternative current. But many times you think this current need to be deposited. Obviously, this current and this current not same, because after conversion, there will be direct current. This will be used for battery purposes or many purposes. So in your factory, there is also deposition. And deposition means charge. Yes, the current are coming and the currents are deposited in your factory as a direct current, and this is question of charge. So charge mean not the current. Charge mean question of deposition. Physics needs to be felt. Charge mean question of deposition. So deposition depend on, again, how is your line and how much time is being given for deposition. If you deposit the current long hours, long days, the battery will be fulfilled. So Q depend on what is the line, types of line, big line or small line. So deposition depend on two matters. How is the size of line? How is the hours of involvement? Obviously, from this formula, you also interchange the formula. Suppose power is equal to I into V, another pyramid, Q is equal to I into V, I into T. So definitely, if you want to ask this on, this will be divide. If you want to ask this on, this one will be divide. This one is equal to this one, this multiplied. So you have to know the altered changing quality. Pyramid, capture over the pyramid. I'm not going there. I'm just giving you feelings about the electricity chapter of O level. Hey, okay, brother, you have taken a lot of service. My line is okay. Electric company, my line is okay. My pressure is okay. And you have deposited huge number of charges. Okay, mama, now billing time. This is the meter of the factory. Hey, what is the energy you have used? Energy. What is the energy you have used? Oh, yes, sir. You are watching P is equal to IV. Actually, energy means what is the pressure, what is the power, and what is the time. Hey, power is what? Power is mean the question of readiness. And how many times have you spent? So energy is depend on what is the power, what, and what is the time. So replacing this value here, so total energy is equal to IVT. Okay, so the electric company now taking the bills. How much energy? Hey man, how much energy have been spent? So for you in the book, this is not written. This is my strategical representation. So question of billing time, the question of energy is being given, is being represented. Okay, and question of deposition, Q is equal to I is coming, and question of electric supply depend on how is the line and how is the pressure. So video is getting longer. Thank you.